Hi, we're gonna make sweet red bean steamed bun. And first we have to make the dough. So we use 1.5 cup of warm water. Then we use half tablespoon of yeast, dry yeast. Okay. Then half tablespoon baking powder. And we're gonna use 1/4 cup of 1/4 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay. Then you mix them together. So we wait about 10 to 15 minutes until the dry yeast reacts. Okay, then now we preheat the oven 200 degree. And it starts just a little bit and for a few minutes. So we're making the dough right now. So this is pretty much ready. We're gonna use 3 cup of flour. 1, 2. Okay, that's about 3 cup of flour. Then and 1.5 cup of seasoning. So you use 1.5. Okay. Then we're gonna put this in the You don't put too much the whole thing in. You save a little bit, and you see how this dough reacts. So if you put too much, you get too dry, but that's okay. If you get too dry, you just add some water in it, or it's too moist, you just add more flour to it. Okay, then now you're gonna knead it down. Look like a little bit too wet. Okay, then you put a little flour to it. And you have to do this like around 10 minutes or so. So make sure they're all even, even up the dough, You can tell by looking at it, kind of right texture right now. So you just make it, just put it in the bowl here, and you cover them up. So you turn off the oven. So you preheat, so warm in there. You cover them up with saran wrap. Okay. Then you put it in there. They can be half an hour, can be 2-3 hours. Okay, until you see the thing double size, or 2-3, maybe triple size. Okay, put it in there. So now it's so we wait. Okay. Hi, I just checked it. You can see the thing is almost double size. I think that's okay. That only take like 1 hour. See? So we're gonna start making the bun. Okay. Okay. It's supposed to one dough. The portion you can make 12 buns. Okay. And so we go ahead to make it. So we cut half away, half done, half out. Okay, then we cut this to 6 pieces. Just like that. Okay. Then you take, depend on how much we're gonna make. So oh, probably around that much. Around that much. Okay. Then you kind of fold them in the middle. Kind of like that. Then you put little water on it. Then you make the other one. You try to don't push it too thin because that thing's supposed on the top. So you want a little bit higher. So like that. And you put some together, all together. Then you put some water on the bottom, on the top. So that's the bottom. And you put it on a piece of paper, on the wax paper. You cut them, a little square paper, like that. Okay, so we got half the mix. We make 6 first. Then we suppose have to put them in a hot, warmer place to kind of wait until it rise up a little bit more. You know, so maybe for like 10-15 minutes. Okay, we take a look at it, then Yeah, okay, then we put them in that you still cut under 200 degree in the oven here. So we put it in there for a few minutes until they rise up a little bit more. Then we cover them up high heat for 12 minutes. 10 minute power, okay. Between 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, it's 12 minutes. So it's ready. So you turn it off. So okay. Then we're gonna do some decoration on that. Okay. This is a red food color. Okay. So we're gonna put a stem of put a stem on it. Okay. Then we're gonna cut one up, and that's a sweet red bean steam bun.